Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to delete a model. Method 1. First let me list all models configured in this OpenClaw setup. Let me run this command OpenClaw models list. See, these are the models configured in this setup. You can see 4 models. OpenAI GPT 4.1 Nano, GPT 4o Mini, GPT 4.0 Nano, then Gemini. Method 1. We can open this configuration file in Vim editor or Nano editor, then delete the model from there. Then restart OpenClaw gateway. Let me open this configuration file, then check for this models section. See, from this models section, you can delete the model. For example, if you want to delete this nano model, this GPT 4.0 nano model, you can delete from here, then delete from here as well. Then save this change, save this file, then restart OpenClaw gateway service. The command is OpenClaw gateway restart. Just save this file after deleting those entries, then run this command gateway restart. That way you can save those changes and remove the models. That is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. First let me list all models. Then here I am going to remove this fallback model OpenAI GPT 4.0 Nano. We can run this command OpenClaw models fallbacks remove OpenAI GPT 4.0 Nano. After this remove, you can mention the name of the model that you need to delete. It says it's updated this OpenClaw JSON file and fallback model has been deleted. Let me verify. So again run this command OpenClaw models list. In this output you can again see that model here, but now this is not a fallback model. See, it has been deleted that fallback tag from this model name. So let me list fallback models. Run this command. See, now it shows only 2 fallback models because I have deleted one. So let me check the configuration file. Let me cat this configuration file, then find that model section, and here you can see it has been deleted that fallback model from this fallback section. See, now it shows only 2, but that model is still there under this models section. So if you want to delete from here, you can delete, then restart gateway service. So these are the two methods. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.